Hey guys, hi, once again welcome back to the session. This is your master teacher Harsh Priyam और मैं आ चुका हूँ आप सबके सामने. So yes, I'm live in front of all of you. How are you guys doing? Hi to everyone. Once again welcome back to the session. So how are you doing people? All good, all great? Thank you. Okay, so welcome to the sessions. Welcome. अच्छा, so Mehak, you are copying me, isn't it? Okay, so today, no, Rishank, today there is no Menti. Today we'll be studying, and today is the second session of surface area and volume. So today we will be studying the conversion of solid questions. Okay, so we'll be doing questions related with conversion of solids in surface area and volume. So chalo, let's start. Excited to learn? That's great, Suchi. So here we go, guys. In this surface area and volume second session, we are going to discuss. कहाँ गया भाई तू? क्यों बुरा मान गया? But before starting, all those students who want to join Vedantu for their revision courses, for their crash courses, so this is the best time. You can do that, and it's very simple. You have to go to this link given in the description box, vdnt.in/ytpro, and in that link you will be able to register yourself. Fine, and at the time of payment, just use the coupon code HPEPRO. In the option of coupon code, you will get a 20% extra discount for that course. Okay, so this per month course comes in something around 2,700 rupees. So if you'll apply that coupon code HPEPRO, that will come in something around 2,200 rupees, something like that. Okay, so you can go ahead that, and then you can have sessions with me. So like I'm teaching live right now here, there also I teach live, but along with that, in that live session, I can take your doubts, I can talk to you, I can clear your doubts, I can do a lot of things. Yeah, we all can do a lot of things. So you can have test, you can have assignment, you can get my handwritten notes, you will be able to attend all India test series. So all these features are there in the subscription course. Okay, Vedantu Pro subscription. So it's the balle balle thing. Chalo, so let's start. Here we go, guys. So conversion of solid from one shape to another, it simply means the melting question. Most of the time you would have seen that a big sphere has been melted to form small spheres or small balls of spherical dimension. Find how many balls would be made like this. Or say for example that from a big cylinder there is a lot of what you can say, इसमें बहुत सारा ताड़ी भरा हुआ है आराम से, and from here you have to serve to the people who have come to the party. So from this you have to serve the juice, and you have got small cylinders. So how many glasses you would be able to fill? So all these glasses question conversion, like from one volume to another volume, these all conversion questions comes into this head. Here what you have to do, it's very simple. Just one simple rule you have to remember, that number of, so every time they will be asking the number, like how many such glasses would be able to fill, how many such small spheres you would be able to make. So that number will always be equal to volume of the bigger object divided by volume of the smaller object. Always remember that the formula will be volume of the bigger object divided by volume of the smaller object. That's it. One line formula will work every time the same way. Cool. Let me just show you few questions. Okay. Chalo. First question. Dimension of a metallic cuboid, this. It is melted and recast into a cube. Find the surface area of the cube. Okay. So first of all, here this is a different type that it has been recasted. So a big cuboid, sorry, this is a cuboid, and this has been recasted to a cube. So first of all, this has been recasted. So one thing is very sure that there is not multiple boxes, only one box. So one thing for sure, we'll do volume of this cuboid, we'll make it equal to volume of this cube. Why? Because always remember that in conversion questions, volume will always be equal. That is the punchline. So if we have to do volume of cuboid equals to volume of cube, volume of cuboid is given 100 into 80 into 64. That is equals to volume of cube. Do we all know volume of cube? Do we know that? So I guess yes, it's a cube. So you will write a cube. You have to find this side. So length into breadth into height. Who is going to give me the value? If I am not wrong, A is equals to 4 into 20. That is 80. Are you all getting the same answer? Okay, Vivek has given me 3840 as the as the total surface area. I don't know. So this is the side length of a cube. If you have to find the surface area, which is like total surface area. So total surface area formula is pretty simple, 6a square. That's the formula. So if it is 6a square, that you will write 6 into 80 square. So precisely 80 square is 6400. So 6400 and 6 चौके 24 का 4 2 6 36 3840. Absolutely right यार, absolutely right. I guess सबसे पहले 3840 किसी बच्चे ने बोला था. I missed his name. So 3840 is absolutely right. 38400. Sorry, it's not 3840. It's 38400. हाँ 0000. अरे 3840 नहीं होगा भाई, 38400 होगा. Fine. Sir, your batch name please. Tanmay, my batch, you just need to write a mail to VCare that please enroll me into Harsh Prem sir's batch. They will do that. Okay. हाँ बढ़िया. Sir, this is for standard mathematics or basic mathematics? Namrata, this is for all. Like this is combined. So right now we are not doing sessions for standard separate and basic separate. Okay. चलो मेंटी क्विज है क्या सर? नो विवेक नहीं है बेटा. तो if you have done this, 38400 is the answer. 80 centimeters is the side length. The same way they also did. Cool. Chalo. Let's move on to the next question. Here's the next. Cone of height 20 centimeter and radius base 5 centimeter is made up of a modeling clay. So you all know that मिट्टी जिससे हम लोग मूर्तियां बनाते हैं. So that modeling clay has been used. A child reshapes it into a form of sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere. Wow. So there is a cone in the form of a clay. This cone has been converted to a sphere. So one thing is sure, volume of cone is going to be equal to volume of sphere. So guys, now see, one thing I know for sure, that all of you would be able to apply this much brain. It's not a rocket science, very easy. Volume of cone equals to volume of sphere. But one thing, that how to do faster calculation, this might be a challenge for many of you. So I will be trying to tell you during the solving of the question itself, that at which point you can actually eliminate the calculation. Just like in the previous question, see here, in book they have done the entire calculation, 100 into 80 into 64. But I did not do it like this. In my mind, I just figured out that this 8 is having, this cube root of 8 will be 2. 100 into 10, that will be 1000. So cube root of 1000 will be 10. So 8 into 80 into 100, 8000, cube root of it will be 20. And then in my mind, I did 64 ka cube root is 4. So I just gave 4 into 20, that is 80. I did not do root under cube root of 512. So I will be telling you the methods how to solve these questions easily. So just a humble request, whenever I am solving, please try to put attention here. Don't solve simultaneously. Okay. Chalo, volume of cone. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equals to volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now this r and this r is surely different, so let's write some different variables. I have written capital R. We have to find this capital R. We have to find the diameter of the sphere. So first of all, 3 and 3 gone, pi and pi gone, because we don't have any problem here. R square and h. So base 5 centimeter, radius base 5 centimeter, so it's 5 square into h is given 20 centimeters, so this is 20 equals to 4 is here, and r cube. It's r cube. So r cube, if I am not wrong, we'll just write r cube. Now again, the same thing what we have to do, we have to find the r. So 4 will cancel this 20 in 5 times. You already have a 5 square into 5. So r cube equals to 5 cube. So once you get r cube equals to 5 cube, we will be getting r equals to 5. Yo, bale bale. Yeah, diameter is 10. Absolutely right. So diameter of the sphere is 10. I hope you all understood that. Did you? So if you all understood, that's great. R is 5 and hence diameter is 10. Bale bale. बाबा की अगली कथा कब है? अच्छा बेटा वैष्णवी. Okay, so this is the next question, guys. Metallic spheres of radius 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. So 1 sphere, 2 sphere, 3 sphere, all 3 together melted and it has been formed into a big sphere. So obviously volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere should be equal to volume of this big sphere. Yeah, common sense. Volume of first sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So radius for the first one is 6. So let's write 6 cube plus second one. So again 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is 8 cube second. And similarly plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the third one is 10 cube. So 10 cube is equals to volume of sphere. So volume of sphere, bigger sphere, you can write 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. That would work. One thing is pretty simple, that 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, gone, all gone. Very simply you get R cube equals to 6 cube, we all know it's 216, plus 8 cube, we all know it's 512 if I'm not wrong, and then 10 cube, we all know it's 1000. So 1512 and 216, that will be 1728, and that is 12 cube, absolutely right. So 1728, and 1728 is a cube of 12, and hence R is equals to 12. Did you all get it? I had done this question 10 minutes back. Very good, unicorn. Looks like that you are on a lucky side this day. So we got R equals to 12, and hence radius is 12. Radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. Cool? चलो. If you all understood, case study questions भी कराओ भक्तों को. अच्छा हाँ यार तरुण, मैं कराता हूँ यार. Case study question के लिए मेरे पास काफी request आ रहे हैं, so I will be doing that. Don't worry. Next question: a solid metal cone with radius of base 12 centimeter and height this is melted to form a solid spherical balls of 6 centimeter each. Find the number of balls. Now see here, this question I was talking about number of balls. Whenever the question says number, so number is pretty simple. Volume of bigger divided by volume of smaller. So obviously here the bigger is the cone because cone is big, and from it multiple small spheres are being made. So we'll write volume of cone, which this is the bigger figure, divided by volume of sphere. Volume of cone, we all know it's 1 by 3 pi r square h divided by volume of sphere, we all know 4 by 3 pi. Let me write capital R cube because the radius for both of them would be different. So from here very easily you can figure it out that pi gone, 3 gone. So r square, people please pay attention, r square radius of the base is given 12, so you'll write 12 square into h, height is given 24, divided by 4 is still here, into r cube, r is given, diameter is 6, so radius will be 3, so you'll write 3 cube. Cool? Now so 4 will cancel this 24 in 6 times if I'm not wrong. So yeah, 6 times gone. So what do you have to do? It's simple. 12 into 6 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. So pretty simple. 3 will cancel this in 2 times. 3 will cancel this in 4 times. And 3 will cancel this in 4 times. 4 4s are 16. 2s are 32. Hence, number will be 32. Looks like no one has given this answer. Why is that? Was it tough? No, yaar. I do not think this. 4 into 4 into 2. So, okay, Tarun gave the answer now. So, yep, answer is 32. It was simple. Was it not simple? I guess it was simple, according to me. Sir, I asked that cylinder pipe water gets flowed in a cylindrical box question. Okay, so Vijaya, if you want to ask that doubt, please kindly refer to the doubts app, because on YouTube taking doubts would not be possible, buddy. Sorry for that. Okay, sir, मुझे आपके सारे डायलॉग आते हैं, पूछ लो कोई एंड अच्छा, मैं got it. चलो, next question guys. Next question says copper rod of diameter 2 cm and length 10 cm is drawn into a wire of uniform thickness and length 10 meter. Find the thickness of the wire. This question is saying? Question is saying that you have a copper rod. Let us assume that this is a copper rod, big thick copper rod. From this copper rod, someone made a thin wire of copper. This will go on like this. So you all would have seen a wire. So obviously, if this copper has been used to make the wire, volume of this rod and volume of this wire must be same. Now coincidentally, this is also a cylinder and this is also a cylinder. but surely the dimensions are going to change. Here the radius is more, here the radius will be less, like the thickness is here more and thickness is less, but here the length is small, here the length is more. Okay, so let's do that, let's do the math. So cylinder, we all know pi r square h, and that will be pi r square h. Simple. Okay, pi gone without any doubt, pi gone. R square, so for the cylinder, for this copper rod, this is a rod na? So for this rod, diameter is given 2 centimeter, so radius is going to be 1 centimeter, so that is 1 square into h. Length or height, you can say, is given 10 centimeter for this case, so I'll write 10 equals to pi gone, radius square. Now question says is drawn into a uniform wire of thickness of length 10 meter. So here the length is given, length means the height of the cylinder is given. So we have to find the radius, So I don't know the radius, let me write r square into h. It's 10 meters. So guys, please pay attention. Here everywhere we have used centimeter, centimeter square, centimeter, 10 centimeter. So for 10 meters you need to convert it into centimeter. That will be 1000 centimeter. So send it to this side, and once you send it, you have this 0 cancelled, so only 100 will come here. We'll have 1 by 100 equals to r square. Since r square is equals to 1 by 100, very easily you will be able to know that r equals to 1 by 10 of a centimeter. That makes it 0.1 centimeter, or you can say 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is the radius. Now thickness, if someone asks thickness, never write radius because thickness is diameter. So the diameter will be, or the thickness will be 2 millimeter. So 2 millimeter wire is the thickness. Did you all understand? 0.1 centimeter absolutely right, or 1 millimeter, both of them is right. Tarun is absolutely right, 0.2 centimeter is the thickness. Yes, Namrata, everyone understood? Pakka? Chalo. If you guys understood, that's great, man. Moving on. Okay, it's not over yet. So this is an information about NTSC stage 2. All those students who are preparing for NTSC stage 2, don't feel alone. You're not alone in this race. We are here to help you. And Vedantu Olympiad School is helping you. So a special wing of Vedantu that is completely focusing on Olympiads, they are going to help you out. And that is NTSC stage 2. So it's going to be from 17th of December till 13th of February. How you can register into this stage 2 course? You have to use the link tinyurl.com/NTSC stage 2. tinyurl.com/NTSC-stage-2. So just go to this link and do the balle balle. Okay? Now moving on, next question. Next question says a hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 25/7 liters per second. Okay. Quite fast. How much time will it take to empty the half the tank where the diameter of the base of the tank is 3 meter? Okay. So please pay attention. Question says that we have got a hemispherical tank like this. Okay. And then someone has attached a pipe to it. So this pipe is going like this. And from here, water is coming out. Cool. Okay. So question says that now in the starting, this hemispherical tank is full. Full means that the amount of water in this tank is 2/3 pi r cube. This is the amount of water, but you don't have to empty this much water because this is the entire complete water. You have to empty it half the tank, empty half the tank. So half of this volume. So if I write volume of water that has to be emptied, it will be half of 2/3 pi r cube. Now this much water has to be emptied at the rate of 25/7 liters per second. So first of all, surely we are not going to get this quantity into liters because we are going to use something like centimeter or meter. Yeah, meter. So if we are going to use meter, we'll have to first convert it into liters. How many liters of water we are talking about? So volume of water which has to be thrown out or which will be coming out with this pipe is this. Let's calculate this first. So if I calculate it, this gone cut. 1/3 is remaining, 1/3. Pi is remaining, so let it be 22/7. I'm not going to solve it. And into radius. So diameter of the base of the tank is 3 meters. So radius will be 3/2. So 3/2 into 3/2 into 3/2. That's it, that it is going to be 2 and 22 will cancel in 11, 3 and 3 gone, 3 3s are 9 into 11, that will be 99 divided by 7 into 4, that is 28. So volume of water is 99 by 28, what? Meter cube, please pay attention, it is meter cube. Now please remember every time, because this might come in your examination also, 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. So 99 by 28 meter cube is equals to, I'm writing it here, this is equals to 99 by 28 into 1000 liters. Yep, okay. Now the question is asking what? Question is asking that if the water is being thrown out or coming out of the pipe at the rate of 25 by 7 liters per second. In 1 second, this much liter. So how much seconds will it take to throw this much water? Means, so question is saying that we have got 99 by 28 into 1000 liters. This much liters. And this much liters, this has to be thrown. So speed equals to distance by time, we all know that. So I'll write this is equals to 25 by 7 into time t. So I'm assuming that t time is going to be taken, so into time t. Now you have to actually calculate it. So 25 by 7 liters per second, so liter is there, per second time, and time will get cancelled. So time is there, we have to find that. So very easily, 7 will cancel this in 4 times, and now we have 4 will cancel this in 250 times if I'm not wrong. 250, 25 will cancel this 250 in 10 times. So we have 99 into 10, 990, and this is t. And this t is in seconds, please mind it. So 990 seconds we got the time. So time is 990 seconds. Either you take this, or if you want to convert it into minutes, so 990 divided by 60 could also be one of the options, and then you can do the solving, blah 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 blah. Fine. Did you all understand it or not? That is my first question. क्या सबको समझ में आया? All of you understood? Come on guys, let me just show you. So 990 seconds they also got. Did you all understand it? Sir, what about Abhi sir's marriage? Arey Janvi, I really don't know right now. Sir, 45 minutes wali strategy must hai. Very helpful. Okay Vaishnavi, good to know that. Okay, everyone understood? That's great yaar. Fantastic. बहुत ही बढ़िया. People understood. That's great. I'm happy to know that. Moving on. Next question. देखो, someone had said, sir, pipe वाला problem करा दो, water pipe problem, cistern problem. कुछ तो ऐसा pipe वाला बोला था. This is a pipe problem. Previous वाला also was a pipe problem. Question says, water is flowing at the rate of 6 km per hour. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. So water is flowing at the rate of 6 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into a rectangular tank which has 60 meter long and 22 meter wide. Okay. Determine the time in which the level of water in the tank will rise by 7 centimeter. Okay. So it simply means that you have a container. In that container, you have to, say for example the container. Wait a second. So say for example you have a container, big container. In that big container, you want the water only till here, like this. So length is still the same, breadth is also going to be the same. Breadth is still the same, like length is 60 meter and breadth is 22 meter. But the height of this container, which you want, the water level you want to rise by 7 centimeter. So height of this should be 7 centimeter. Cool. Length, breadth, height. Done. Now, if all these things are done, so now question is saying water is flowing at the rate of 6 km per hour through a pipe of diameter this, means the pipe is going to be like this. So which type of pipe it is? Looking like cylindrical pipe, because it has got a diameter 14 centimeter. So now I want you guys to understand that how the volume of water coming out from the pipe can be ascertained. So everyone please pay attention, everyone. The rate of the water given is 6 km per hour. 6 km per hour. So how can a water come out of anything with a speed like kilometer per hour, means I'm just saying that water is coming with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. What does it mean? It simply means that in 1 hour, the length of 20 kilometer of pipe, so here it is written 6 kilometer per hour, means in 1 hour, whatever water is in the length of 6 kilometer of the pipe, that much amount of water, 6 kilometer length of pipe, that much amount of water will come out in 1 hour. That's what it means. So speed given in kilometer per hour or meter per second, it simply means that in that much time, length of that much pipe, water contained in that pipe, that will come out. You all understood that, what I mean to say? क्या ये सबको समझ में आया? जल्दी से बताओ हाँ या ना? Height of the pipe is distance traveled by the water. Absolutely right. So height, basically this is height of the pipe. So height of the pipe is going to be the distance traveled by the water. So water is traveling at that speed, 6 km per hour. So that is equals to height of the pipe, and hence you will be able to find the volume. So volume is undoubtedly pi r square h. Pi will be same, pi. Radius will be same. Here the radius diameter is 14. So radius is going to be 7 square into height. So height is going to be the distance traveled by the water. Speed is given. So speed is equals to distance upon time. We all know. If I cross multiply, speed into time is equals to distance, and we have to write distance. In place of distance, we'll have, means in place of height, we have to write distance. So I'll write here speed into time. And what is that? So 49 pi into speed is known to us 6 km. But the problem is, I have taken the 7 into 7 centimeter. 7 is a centimeter quantity, na? And how can I take this as kilometer? I'll have to change that also, isn't it? So instead of changing it, let me write it. So speed is 6, time is t. This is the distance. Please pay attention. Time is in hours. Time is in hours, because if time won't be in hour, you can't multiply it with 6. So right now, distance is 6t kilometers. 6t kilometers, because kilometer is given. Time is an hour. So can I change this kilometer? So I can write here 6t into 1000 for meters, and for centimeter, 1 meter is 100. So then I can multiply 100 for centimeter. So this is the distance. So now what you have to do? You have to equate the volume of this tank with the volume of this pipe. Yeah. So let's do that. So volume of tank equals to volume of pipe. Now volume of tank, we all know it's length into breadth into height. So length is 60, breadth is 22, height is 7. This in meter, this is in centimeter. So 60, let me wait a second. 60 into 22. This is in meter. Into height, that is 7 centimeter. So this is in centimeter. Either we change these or we change this. So let me change 7 centimeter as meter. So 7 by 100. Fine. This is equals to volume of pipe. Abhi volume of pipe here, we'll write pi into 7 square into h. That is 60 and on blah blah. Here this is in centimeter. Guys, this is in centimeter. So we'll have to convert it again. So it's better if we convert all of them into centimeter. That will be better. So let this be 7. And if this is 60 is in meter, so I'm multiplying 100 for this. And 22 is also in meter. So I'm multiplying 100 for this as well. Is equals to pi into 7 square into height of the pipe. So height of the pipe is this one. That is 60 into 1000 into 100. So start solving. So if you start solving, first of all, this 100 gone. 1020. So 1020 gone. And then third zero gone. Everything gone. Let me just show it another color. 1020. This third zero gone with this third zero. These 100 and this 200 gone. So now 7 will cancel the square. Cool. So 6 is remaining here. 22 is remaining here. Pi has a 22 by 7. Into 7 is still there. Into 6 into t is there. 6 into t. Yeah. Now 7 and 7 gone, 22 and 22 gone, 6 and 6 gone. So nothing is remaining. So 1 is equals to t. What? 1 is equals to t. So we got t equals to 1. That is 1 hour. If you do remember, हम लोगों ने 1 लिया था ना, मतलब t को we had taken hour. So t is equals to 1 hour. Did not understand? Okay, Riya, I'll make you understand. I know that. नहीं आया सर, मेरे को ही पता है. थोड़ा सा tough था. कोई बात नहीं. I'll make you understand once again. Everyone, please, along with me. See here, everyone, along with me. So, guys, sir, you are becoming fatter day by day. अरे नहीं वैष्णवी, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, so everyone, please pay attention once more. Question is saying that pipe, water from this pipe is going to come in this container. So, whatever the volume of water it will have, that will be because of the pipe. So, volume of water in the pipe should be equal to volume of water in the container, cuboid. Okay, so I did that. Volume of tank equals to volume of pipe. Okay, now volume of tank, very easy. Volume of tank is length into breadth into height, cuboid. So I did 60 into 22 into 7. 60 into 22 into 7. Just to make them into centimeter, 60 meter, I multiplied 100 for 60 meter so that I can make it in centimeter. And 22 is also in meter. To make it into centimeter, I multiplied 100 here. Fine, cool, no problem. Now volume of pipe, it is pi r square h. Pi r square h. For this h, I told you a story that height of this cylindrical pipe, this height will be equal to the distance traveled by the pipe. You have to just remember this. Height of the cylindrical pipe will always be equal to the distance traveled. So speed is given. How to find the distance? Using speed equals to distance by time. Do the cross multiplication. Speed into time equals to distance. So we got speed into time equals to distance, 60. But this 60 is in kilometers. This 60 is in kilometers. So if we have to change this kilometer, I have to multiply it with 1000 for meter. 60 into 1000 meters. But I don't need it in meter also. I want it in centimeter. So meter के बाद centimeter के लिए for that I have to multiply with 100. So this is the distance. So this distance will come in the place of height, and thereafter I solved it. Sir, it would be easier if we turn a centimeter into meter. So Kuldeep, it completely depends on your own mindset, buddy. Whatever you find easy, you should do that. I don't have any problem, believe me. Okay. So did you all understand? Now tell me, did you all understand? If you'll solve it further, you will get t equals to 1. क्या अब समझ में आया? Big fan. Hi Ajit. What's up, buddy? Did you all understand? Come on, tell me. Yes or no? Did you all understand it? Understood, sir. Okay, Harshal says understood. Sir, 49 pi क्यों लिखा? Okay, so Tarun, 49 pi बाकी सबको समझ में आ गया? Okay. महक बेटा एक आध दो बार रिवाइंड करके देख लेना, आ जाएगा please. So Tarun is asking 49 pi. Beta, because of 7 square. 7 square is 49, na? So 49 pi into this distance into t. So if you can just ignore it, like, because this does not hold any relevance here, so you can just ignore it. Ignore Madi. ठीक है? तो that is how we solved it. We got the answer 1 hour. क्या ये सबको समझ में आ गया? Yo, easy peasy lemon squeezy. अच्छा वरुण, अभी तो बोला था नहीं समझ में आया. Direct t equals to 1 लिख दो. अच्छा. Fine. So if you all understood, that's really great. And that was all for this session, folks. Yeah. So all those people who liked the video, just hit the like button, khatak, and subscribe to the channel as well. Put your beautiful comments. I literally love to read them. I'm saying it, I literally love it. So just put your comments. I will be very happy to go through them. And those students who want to join me in live sessions, want to study with me in live sessions, clear their doubts, ask me questions, and on all those things, you can always go to the link given in the description box, vdnt.in/ytpro. On that link, you'll be able to register yourself. Before doing the payment, use the coupon code HPEPRO. This will give you a 50% discount. So right now the course is going off 2700 rupees per month. This will come down to 2159. Similarly, 3-month course is going for 7000. This will come down to 5600. So 20% discount is there. Okay. Chalo. So guys, that was all for this session. Folks, see you all in the next session then. Till then, bye bye people, and take care and good night. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Thanks a lot. 300 likes. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye.